Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and uncertain about your financial future? Imagine a life where you're in control of your money, making informed decisions with confidence and clarity. It's not just a dream, it's within reach. By embracing the principles outlined in this article, you'll embark on a journey towards financial literacy and empowerment. From understanding investments to leveraging debt effectively, adopting a wealthy mindset, and developing high-income skills, each rule is a stepping stone towards financial independence and prosperity. So, if you're ready to take charge of your financial destiny and unlock the secrets to lasting wealth, dive into this article and discover the path to financial literacy that will transform your life. Financial education encompasses the skills and knowledge required to make informed and effective decisions regarding one's financial resources. Referred to as financial literacy, it's vital for personal and financial advancement, aiming for financial freedom and independence. However, there's another crucial concept to grasp: financial confidence, distinct from freedom as it relies on the ability to generate money rather than the amount possessed. Many believe in a scarcity of money, yet the truth is that wealth exists abundantly for those equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge. Money operates by a set of rules akin to a game, mastery of which guarantees control over one's financial life. In this video, we'll explore the 4 fundamental rules of money essential for achieving financial freedom, confidence, and literacy. Despite the plethora of accessible information, a large portion of the population remains financially ignorant, exemplified by individuals like Peter, who squander their earnings without strategic planning. However, with a shift in mindset and the adoption of sound financial habits, anyone can attain wealth. Financial education is crucial for sustainable prosperity, especially considering its absence from traditional schooling. 2 primary reasons hinder people from pursuing financial education: conventional wisdom and comfort zone, self-esteem issues. Conventional beliefs surrounding money often perpetuate scarcity mindsets, while misconceptions about debt hinder opportunities for financial growth. Additionally, low self-esteem and fear of failure prevent many from taking risks necessary for wealth accumulation. Overcoming these barriers requires a commitment to personal growth and confidence building. The 4 core rules of financial education include understanding investments, leveraging debt effectively, adopting a wealthy mindset, and developing high-income skills to acquire assets. Each rule emphasizes the importance of education, strategic thinking, and continuous self-improvement in navigating the complex landscape of finance. By adhering to these principles, individuals can pave the way to financial abundance and long-term prosperity. Rule 1. Understanding investments. Investing serves as a cornerstone for building wealth and achieving financial independence. It entails allocating resources, whether money, time, or effort, into ventures with the expectation of generating a return. However, the key to successful investing lies in understanding the various investment options available and the associated risks and rewards. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and Forex are just a few avenues through which individuals can invest their capital. Each asset class comes with its own set of characteristics, market dynamics, and potential returns. Moreover, before diving into any investment, individuals must prioritize investing in themselves. This involves acquiring the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complex world of finance effectively. From understanding financial markets and economic trends to mastering investment strategies, continuous self-education is paramount. Additionally, investing in one's own business can yield significant returns, provided it is approached with careful planning and execution. Furthermore, real estate and stock market investments offer opportunities for wealth accumulation but require thorough research and risk management. Real estate investing involves identifying undervalued properties, renovating or improving them, and selling them for a profit. Similarly, investing in stocks entails analyzing companies, assessing their growth potential, and strategically buying and selling shares. By adhering to the principle of never investing in what you don't understand, individuals can mitigate risks and increase their chances of financial success. In summary, mastering the art of investing requires a combination of knowledge, experience, and discipline. By investing wisely and continuously improving one's financial literacy, individuals can lay the foundation for long-term wealth creation and financial security. Rule 2. Leveraging debt effectively. Debt is a double-edged sword that, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. However, it is essential to distinguish between good debt and bad debt and understand how each can impact one's financial well-being. Bad debt typically refers to high-interest, non-productive debt, such as credit card debt or payday loans, which can quickly spiral out of control and erode wealth. On the other hand, Good debt is debt used to finance assets or investments that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value over time. For example, taking out a mortgage to purchase a home or obtaining a loan to start or expand a business can be considered good debt if managed responsibly. These investments have the potential to increase in value or generate income, ultimately outweighing the cost of borrowing. However, it is crucial to approach debt with caution and a clear repayment strategy. Before taking on any debt, individuals should assess their ability to repay it and consider the potential risks and rewards. Additionally, maintaining a healthy balance between debt and assets is essential to avoid becoming over-leveraged and vulnerable to financial instability. Overall, leveraging debt effectively requires careful consideration, strategic planning, and disciplined financial management. By understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt and using debt to finance wealth-building opportunities, individuals can harness its power to accelerate their path to financial success. Rule 3. Adopting a wealthy mindset. Achieving financial success begins with cultivating a wealthy mindset, an attitude and approach to money that fosters abundance, opportunity, and prosperity. Thinking rich involves shifting one's mindset from a mentality of scarcity and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. It means envisioning oneself as financially successful and acting in alignment with that vision. One fundamental aspect of a wealthy mindset is reframing one's relationship with money. Rather than viewing money as a scarce resource to be hoarded and feared, individuals with a wealthy mindset see it as a tool for creating opportunities and improving their lives and the lives of others. They understand that wealth is not finite and that there are countless ways to generate and accumulate it through innovation, entrepreneurship, and strategic decision-making. Additionally, thinking rich entails embracing a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of dwelling on limitations and constraints, individuals with a wealthy mindset focus on abundance and possibility. They believe in their ability to create wealth and are willing to take calculated risks and pursue opportunities that align with their financial goals. Furthermore, adopting a wealthy mindset involves developing a positive relationship with money and wealth. Rather than viewing wealth as inherently negative or immoral, individuals with a wealthy mindset recognize the potential for wealth to create positive change and impact in their lives and communities. In summary, adopting a wealthy mindset is essential for achieving financial success and prosperity. By shifting one's mindset from scarcity to abundance, embracing opportunities, and developing a positive relationship with money, individuals can unlock their full potential and create the wealth and abundance they desire. Rule 4. Developing high-income skills to acquire assets. Assets are the key to building long-term wealth and financial security. They are resources that generate income or appreciate in value over time, providing a source of passive income and long-term financial stability. Developing high-income skills is essential for acquiring and managing assets effectively, as it enables individuals to generate income independently and increase their wealth-building potential. High-income skills are specialized abilities that are in high demand and command a premium in the marketplace. These skills are typically developed through education, training, and experience and can include professions such as software development, digital marketing, financial analysis, and sales, among others. By mastering high-income skills, individuals can increase their earning potential and create opportunities for wealth accumulation and asset acquisition. Furthermore, acquiring assets requires disciplined financial management and strategic decision-making. Individuals must prioritize saving and investing their income to acquire income-generating assets such as real estate, stocks, bonds, and business ventures. Additionally, diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns, as it allows individuals to spread their investments across different asset classes and industries. Moreover, continually honing and upgrading high-income skills is essential for staying competitive in the ever-evolving marketplace. Technology, market trends, and consumer preferences are constantly changing, requiring individuals to adapt and acquire new skills to remain relevant and valuable. In summary, developing high-income skills is crucial for acquiring and managing assets effectively, increasing earning potential, and building long-term wealth. By investing in education, training, and personal development, individuals can position themselves for success and create opportunities for financial independence and prosperity. If you found value in this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful discussions on personal finance. Remember, true wealth begins with knowledge and action. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.